All right, today we're featuring a 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. It's got 27,000 miles on it. It's Inferno orange in color. Clean Carfax, one owner, local trade right out of Dallas, North Carolina. All right, it's a four-wheel drive. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. Got the turn signals in the side mirrors. Got the nice step-up rails there. Okay, it is equipped with sunroof. Once again, it is a four-wheel drive. Driver's side of the truck is in great shape. It does have rear park assist, rear backup camera. Got your trailer plug, tow hitch. It is a V6. Got the nice chrome exhaust tip there. Okay, passenger side of the Tacoma is in great shape. All right, it does have blind spot monitoring signals here, and they're right there in the side mirrors. Let me kind of roll the camera where you can see it. All right. Once again, it's a 17 Tacoma TRD Sport, 27,000 miles. Clean Carfax, one owner. It's a local trade. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Let's give you another shot of the sunroof here. All right, got nice black cloth seats. All right, cloth's in great shape. Nice rubber floor mats. It's got the power rear window. Does come with keyless entry key fob. It is an automatic. It's got your blind spot monitoring button there, rear park assist, auxiliary USB power outlet. It is a four-wheel drive. Let me go ahead and turn the lights on it here. I'm gonna light that up a little bit. We'll do it when we turn the truck on. Anyway, got heated seats, navigation backup camera. It'll be right here. We'll show you that in just a second. All right, got the push button start, leather wrap steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and check the mileage. All right, it's got 27,702 miles. All right, now that we've got it started, we'll go ahead and show you the radio display. All right, these are all your apps right here. Okay, does have navigation. Go ahead and click that. All right. Does have the rear backup camera. We'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Does have the guidelines on there. Okay. All right. Does have dual climate controls. Got your heated seats on either side up here. All right. Push button start. It is a four-wheel drive. Okay. Once again, got your blind spot monitoring indicator, rear park assist. All right. Let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and walk around to the passenger side. I wanna open up that door just to let as much light in as we can. I want you to be able to see everything that I'm describing. All right, door panels back here in great shape. Got the nice thick rubber floor mats back here as well. Back seat cloth looks really good. Once again, it does have that rear power backup or window there. It's a power window. All right. Interior in this Tacoma has been well taken care of. Only 27,000 miles on it. Going to give you a shot of the dash layout. All right. It does have the bed liner back here. Tailgate nice and smooth coming down. Got that hydraulic in there. Does have the plug-in in the back. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 17-inch alloys. Tires are still in good shape. All right, once again, it's a 2017 TRD Sport, four-wheel drive, 27,000 miles. Clean Carfax, one owner. It's a local trade out of Dallas, North Carolina. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.